Once the Shopkins was safely out of the way, the construction worker started doing his work. We got a My Little Pony blind bag. I wonder who's inside. Hi Prince and Princesses, it's Princess Fam. Today we're gonna be unboxing Lego Duplo Truck and Track Excavator. Who's excited? I am.
Princess Toy Review.
It's story time! One day, our Shopkins friends were on their way to school. While on their way, they ran into a big egg surprise. Wow, look at that egg surprise! But it's in the way of our way to school. How are we gonna get through? Well, we could try to jump over it. What do you guys think? Yeah, let's do it. So they tried to all jump over the egg surprise. But most of them only made it halfway. And then they would fall back down. Oh no, I don't think this is a good idea. What are we gonna do? I know. I remember earlier we passed some construction workers. Let's have them help us. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ask for help. The two construction workers were happy to help. Alright kids, we're gonna need you to move out of the way. Once the Shopkins was safely out of the way, the construction worker started doing his work. Yay, thank you! We better hurry before we miss our Halloween party! Oh wait! It's an egg surprise! We should see what's inside! Good idea, but I think we should give it to them for helping us. Alright, let's open it. Ooh, it's a frozen egg surprise. We got a My Little Pony blind bag. I wonder who's inside. Aw, we got Breezy Flora. Alright, well I'm gonna get back to work. I say you take our Shopkins friends to school so they make it there in time. Great plan. Alright Shopkins friends, hop on. I'll take you to school. And off to school they went. Now let's build our Legos. Let's open our Lego Duplo. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 miscellaneous pieces, 1 bag, and some instructions. Let's open our bag. Look, it comes with 2 construction workers. Hi kids! We're gonna first start by building the blue truck. We're gonna take the gray piece with the wheels and we're gonna first put this orange piece right towards the front. We're gonna leave 1 empty row here. And then we're gonna take the big blue piece, which is the top of the truck, and we're gonna add it right on top. Next, we're gonna add the light right in the middle. We're gonna set that down, and then we're gonna take this black piece and this yellow piece here, and we're gonna first connect these two. And once you have that done, you're gonna put it right on top of the blue piece in the back. Next, we're gonna build the crane. We're gonna take this big yellow and black piece, and we're gonna take this black and yellow piece as well, but the one with the wheels. And we're gonna first flip this one over, and we're gonna flip this one over too, and we're just gonna connect it right inside here. We're gonna flip it back over, and we're gonna add on this orange piece right on top in the middle. Next, we're gonna take this gray piece and we're going to click it in right on top of the orange piece. Now we're going to take this large yellow piece and we're going to add it on top of the gray one. Now we're going to make the claw. We're going to first take this orange piece and we're going to connect it with this yellow piece. And then we're going to take another yellow piece here and we're going to do the same thing. Make sure they all click in. Now we're going to connect this piece to the gray area right here. There we have it. It's the claw. Let's get some work done. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. If you like more Princess Playtime, please subscribe. Bye, Prince and Princesses. Bye.
What's this? Ooh! Hi, Prince and Princesses. It's Princess T. Today we're gonna do an egg hunt at the pumpkin patch.